All right, let's go across to our guests. Nalin Kohli, Dr. Ranganathan, Kishore Tiwari and Sanjay Jha continue to be with us. We are joined by Advocate Devashish Murk, Vice President of the MNS Legal Cell. Good evening to all of you. Let me in fact begin with you. Devashish, so Raj Thackeray, Uddhav Thackeray have come back, joined hands together to once again revive the slogan against South Indians. First, North Indians were targeted, now South Indians will be targeted. And someone said that, people coming from outside to Mumbai won't be allowed. If you impose Hindi language, we won't allow you. Threats of violence against individuals have been issued. Raj Thackeray will continue to do this. This is your style. This is your agenda. Divide people, pit one Indian against another. कभी North Indian को लड़ाइए South Indian से, कभी South Indian को लड़ाइए दूसरे Indian से. Same old rhetoric. Devashish, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Can I answer?
Yes, absolutely.
Am I audible? Yeah. So,
yes.
So the point is that this was a reaction for action committed by a local Tamilian, unfortunately, and ex-BJP president of a state called Tamil Nadu. Now, he stated that Bombay, primarily it is Mumbai, and then he stated that Bombay is not a part of Maharashtra. It is an international city. It is an international city, I agree. But then it is an insult to a Mumbaikar. Me being a Mumbaikar, me being a North Indian myself, it is an insult to the localites who have contributed.
If you agree
Mumbai,
that it's an international city, how is it an insult to Mumbai? And he started by saying a city in this country.
Is it not
he
the
didn't
part of
say
Maharashtra?
A city in America. Or he didn't say a city in New Zealand. He said a city in this country. Maharashtra is also part of this country.
But how he will say, how he said that Mumbai is not part of Maharashtra then? He stated
when
that.
When did he say Mumbai is not part of Maharashtra? He said Mumbai is not Maharashtra city.
He said that.
And you agree with him? You agree with him that it is an international city? So how is it an insult to Mumbaikars?
No, I agree. No. I agree. I agree with him that it is an international city. It's a financial capital of India. But then Mumbai is an integral part of Maharashtra. We need to know that. And this is a reaction.
Mumbai is a city.
And now my point
Mumbai
is
a city in this country.
In his second rally,
he said Mumbai is an international city. Sir, Maharashtra is also part of this country. And you could have corrected Mr. Annamalai. You could have said, Mr. Annamalai, you don't know about Mumbai. You don't know about Maharashtra. Read up Mr. Annamalai. Then come and make statements in Mumbai. But you're issuing threats. You're saying Lungi Uthao. That statement that was made against South Indians during Balasaheb Thackeray's regime, or rather when he had hold and command on Shiv Sena. So for one statement made by Mr. Annamalai, you will issue violent threats, you will abuse him, and you will insult the entire South Indian community. You feel his statement has insulted Mumbaikars, but what about the insult and abuse hurled by your Neta against the entire community?
Not the entire community. It was only against Mr. Annamalai and not the local Tamilians. It was only against Mr. Annamalai who stated misappropriatedly, and it was only against Mr. Annamalai and not for the South Indians and not for the people.
Mr. Annamalai is not the only one who wears a lungi. And Raj Thackeray knew exactly what he was talking about. Raj Thackeray knew exactly what he was talking about. I wonder how will decent, civilized, educated Maharashtrians, Mumbaikars support that kind of politics? I want to bring in Mr. Ranganathan. Mr. Ranganathan, so fine that you don't agree with Mr. Annamalai saying that Mumbai is an international city, or say that Mumbai is not just, just word was missing, that it's not a Maharashtra city, that it's an international city. Does that mean you'll make such statements? That you'll insult the place that he comes from or the community that he belongs to?
Swati, first of all, I'm absolutely shocked and aghast that such comments were made by Mr. Raj Thackeray. And B, as you said, even though the word just might have been missing, but in the run of things, it is absolutely clear if you were to listen to what Mr. Annamalai said that he actually meant. that Mumbai is not just a city in Maharashtra, it is an international city. It's just what logic would dictate. How can Annamalai say Mumbai is not a city in Maharashtra, it is an international city? Kya space mein? Kahan pe? So this is understood. Basically, they've picked on him just because to peddle their xenophobic parochial agenda. Be that as it may, is nothing that, a leopard doesn't change his spot. But I want to ask this, the MNS spokesperson, who is always never, there to pull his punches. Can you please tell me, what does Bajao Pungi mean?
Come on, Devashish, go ahead.
Yeah, so this statement was stated by Mr. Balasaheb Thackeray
What
in
does
late
it mean?
1960. So
What does it
that's what
mean?
I was trying to
No,
make
matlab bataiye
you
na.
understand.
Matlab
I just,
batao.
let me just
Matlab
complete.
kya hai?
Let me complete. Let me complete. So अभी अन्नामलई जी बोलते, सेकेंड रैली में अन्नामलई जी बोल रहे हैं कि जो बालासाहेब ठाकरे का जो लेगेसी है, जो
सिंपल
हिंदुत्व
पूछा
का
है,
लेगेसी और
बचाओ
जो
पुंगी
उन्होंने
का
बोला,
मतलब क्या है?
जो ठाकरे
बचाओ पुंगी का
आप मुझे
मतलब
बोलने तो
क्या है?
दीजिए, ठाकरे कजिन्स ने ठाकरे
No, don't
cousins ने
hide behind
plot miss कर
excuses.
दिया है. सुनिए तो सही,
हिम्मत है तो
तो
बोलो.
ठाकरे कजिन्स ने अगर वो
अगर
प्लॉट
हिम्मत
मिस
है,
कर
हाँ,
दिया
तो
है,
ये तो
फिर
बीजेपी
बालासाहेब
भी
ठाकरे जी का
नहीं, ये तो शिंदे सेना बोलती है, ये तो शिंदे सेना बोलती है यूबीटी के लिए, ये बीजेपी बोलती है यूबीटी के लिए, ये बाकी के लोग बोलते हैं, सबकी पुंगी बजा रहे हैं क्या आप?